A taste of India Palak Paneer. Palak Paneer is a beloved Indian dish. It is famous for its creamy texture and vibrant green color. This dish combines spinach and paneer cheese. It is a vegetarian delight that is both tasty and nutritious. Palak Paneer is enjoyed in India and around the world. Its popularity comes from its unique flavor. The spinach provides a healthy touch. The paneer adds a richness that is satisfying. Whether you are new to Indian cuisine or a seasoned food enthusiast, Palak Paneer is a must-try. This recipe will guide you through each step. You can create this delicious dish in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your family and friends. Let's begin our culinary journey to master the art of Palak Paneer. Before we start cooking, let's gather all the ingredients. Having everything ready will make the process smoother. Here's what you'll need. For the Palak puree fresh spinach, 500 grams, about 1 pound. Water, 2 cups. For the paneer, which is Indian cottage cheese, 200 grams, about 7 ounces. Oil, 1 tablespoon. For the gravy oil, 2 tablespoons. 1 medium onion, finely chopped. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. 2 medium tomatoes, finely chopped. Green chilies, 2 to 3, slit. Turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. Red chili powder, half a teaspoon or to taste. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, half a teaspoon. Garam masala, half a teaspoon. Salt to taste. Fresh cream, 2 tablespoons, optional. 1. Wash the spinach thoroughly. Remove any stems or tough parts. 2. Boil water in a large pot. Add the spinach and blanch for 2 to 3 minutes. This will help retain its vibrant green color. 3. Drain the spinach and immediately transfer it to a bowl of ice-cold water. This will stop the cooking process and preserve its texture. 4. Once the spinach has cooled down, drain it well. Squeeze out any excess water. 5. Now blend the spinach into a smooth puree using a blender or food processor. Set this puree aside. 1. Cut the paneer into bite-sized cubes. 2. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add the paneer cubes and lightly fry them until they turn golden brown on all sides. This will give them a nice crispy texture. 3. Once done, remove the paneer cubes from the pan and set them aside. Section 5. Creating the Palak gravy. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn translucent. Add the ginger garlic paste and sauté for another minute until fragrant. Now add the chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Cook until the tomatoes soften and the oil starts to separate from the mixture. Add the turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. Mix well and cook for a minute until the spices release their aroma. Section 6. The perfect union, adding paneer to gravy. Pour the prepared spinach puree into the pan with the spice mixture. Mix well to combine, add salt to taste. Let the gravy simmer for 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. This will allow the flavors to meld together beautifully. Now gently add the fried paneer cubes to the gravy. Stir carefully to coat the paneer evenly. If you prefer a richer taste, you can add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream at this stage. Mix well and simmer for another minute. Section 7. Health benefits of Palak Paneer. Palak Paneer is not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Spinach is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is known to boost immunity, improve eyesight, and aid in digestion. Paneer, being a good source of protein and calcium, contributes to bone health, muscle growth, and overall well-being. This dish offers a wholesome combination of taste and health benefits, making it a perfect choice for a satisfying meal. Section 8. Serving and savoring your Palak Paneer. Your homemade Palak Paneer is ready to be served. Garnish it with a dollop of fresh cream or a sprinkle of chopped coriander leaves for an extra touch. Palak Paneer pairs perfectly with rice, naan bread or roti. You can also enjoy it with a side of dal and rice for a complete Indian meal. Section 9. Additional tips for Palak Paneer success. Here are a few extra tips to make your Palak Paneer even more delicious. You can adjust the amount of green chilies to suit your spice preference. For a smoother gravy, you can blend the onion-tomato mixture before adding the spinach puree. If the gravy becomes too thick, You can add a little water or vegetable broth to adjust the consistency. Leftover Palak paneer can be stored in the refrigerator for a day or two. Reheat it gently before serving. Enjoy the process of cooking and savor the delightful flavors of your homemade Palak paneer.